everyone, I'm Nick. I'm 8. Today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is Popcorn Dragon. Once near a village called Buttery Glade, there lived a dragon. He was the color of midnight. He was huge and covered in sharp, pointy scales. The fire he breathed could light up the night sky. He lived in a nest high above the village in an old dead tree. The village of Buttery Glade told many tales about the fearsome dragon. In one story, the dragon burned the castle to the ground. Just because he could. Everyone in Buttery Glade was scared of the dragon. Everyone but one precious girl. Elizabeth was 12 years old. She wanted to be a knight. She was strong and brave and unafraid. And sure, the dragon breathed fire, but there were people with worse breath. And sure, the dragon looked scary, but there were dogs who were in the village with scarier faces. One day the warning bell rang in Buttery Glade. The dragon had come down from his nest and was hiding in the cornfield. Everyone ran down to the cellar to escape the dragon. Everyone except for Elizabeth. Armed with a wooden sword and helmet with shield, Elizabeth was swiftly through the desert in the village toward the cornfield. When she stopped to spot the dragon, Elizabeth snuck up behind him. "Excuse me!" Elizabeth yelled. The dragon turned his huge head toward Elizabeth. "What do you want?" the dragon roared. He lifted his head, his eye glowed. Elizabeth felt the dragon's hot breath on her face. "I'm Elizabeth," she said. "I live in the village. I came to tell you to go away. You're scaring everybody." The dragon breathed quickly. Huff, huff, huff. It looked like the dragon was about to fire was about to blow. Elizabeth braced herself. Peeking out from behind the shield, Elizabeth was shocked by what she saw. Instead of fire coming out of his mouth, tears began pouring down the dragon's neck. "Are you okay?" Elizabeth asked. "No," the dragon replied. "I'm so lonely. Nobody's like me." "Why would anybody like you?" Elizabeth replied. "You burned down the castle." "I didn't burn down the castle," the dragon said. "It was struck by lightning. I never do that." Elizabeth could tell the dragon was telling the truth. "Wow," Elizabeth said. "Sounds like you're an unfortunate victim of a spear campaign. We got to do something to improve your reputation." "Let's see," Elizabeth paused. "What are you good at?" "Breathing fire," replied the dragon. "Well, let's see," ordered Elizabeth. The dragon inhaled deeply and let out the biggest fire breath he could muster. "Look out for the corn!" Elizabeth yelled, but it was too late. He could muster. It was too late. The dragon fire shot out through the stalks, and the field was set ablaze. "Well, this isn't going to help your reputation," Elizabeth lamented. But suddenly the air filled with the sound of 1 million sparks. The thousands and thousands of popcorn kernels jumped up into the sky and fell back down again as fluffy white popcorn. It's like snow, Elizabeth said as she twirled in the downpour of popcorn. Delicious snow! I think I know how to save your reputation, Elizabeth said. Let's go. Elizabeth and the dragon raced to the village center. There she rang the warning bell, signaling that it was now safe for people to come out of their cellars. People were shocked and scared to see Elizabeth sitting in the middle of the village with a dragon. Elizabeth, get out of the way! The one villager called. He will eat you. This story must stop, Elizabeth said. Elizabeth pulled the grocery cart over to the dragon. It was filled with fresh corn. Do your thing, Elizabeth told the dragon. As the dragon took a big inhale, the crowd gasped and took cover. But when the sound of 1 million pops filled the air, the people couldn't help but look up. Thousands and thousands of popcorn